the 2019 Nissan Murano. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, front dual zone air conditioning, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.